transforming your daily commutes, campus travel, or weekend neighborhood cruises into an effortless, traffic-bypassing journey without wrestling with bulky transit schedules or parking hassles usually means transitioning to a versatile, multi-configurable adult and youth electric scooter. The Maxshot Electric Scooter, featuring configurable tire options, dual suspension, dual braking, and long-range battery architecture, redefines personal micromobility by combining customizable sizing, smooth riding shock absorption, and smart app connectivity into a portable folding frame. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its adaptable modular performance tiers paired with a robust dual braking and dual suspension matrix. Instead of struggling with rigid commuter scooters that rattle over cracks and potholes or lack stopping confidence at higher speeds, this system delivers a cushioned glide across rough pavement while offering precise stopping power via combined electronic and mechanical brakes. Performance and everyday versatility streamline quick grocery runs, city commuting, and recreational riding. Outfitted with configurable tire sizes, ranging from nimble 8.5-inch setups up to plush 14-inch pneumatic options, and a choice of motor configurations delivering top speeds from 16 to 22 miles per hour alongside extended battery ranges spanning anywhere from 12 up to 50 miles per charge, the scooter adapts precisely to your lifestyle needs. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by a quick folding mechanism for easy trunk storage, a comfortable included seat and storage bag for errand running, and companion smartphone app integration for locking, speed management, and ride diagnostics. Things to consider before you buy model configurations, because this scooter line spans multiple variants across tire sizes, 8.5-inch, 10-inch, 14-inch, and battery capacities. Double-check the specific specifications of the exact model tier you select to ensure the top speed and mileage match your daily commuting distance. Portability versus range trade-off. Higher-range models equipped with larger batteries and bigger tires offer incredible endurance and comfort, but they also add weight and a larger physical footprint when folded and carried upstairs. So, who is this really for? This adaptable electric scooter is an absolute home run for commuters, students, and urban explorers who want a customizable ride with dual suspension, comfortable seating options, app controls, and impressive long-range battery choices. If you need a heavy-duty electric dirt bike for extreme off-road mud trails or a lightweight manual kick scooter for toddlers, a specialized alternative will better match your application. Is it worth the money? If you value versatile tire configurations, speeds up to 22 miles per hour, extensive range choices up to 50 miles, dual suspension, dual braking, a folding frame with an included seat and bag, and smart app integration, it is a premier, highly customizable investment for your daily mobility.